Hi everyone, this is Amit Verma. Welcome back to Boomi Techie. So in this video, we will cover these points. First point is a defining profile, like what is a profile. Second point is a way to create a profile, how to create a profile. Third point is a possible reason to manual build or import profile. So how we can manually build the profile and import the profile, we will see in today's video. And fourth point is the activity, create a XML profile. And the fifth point is a defining map step, and the sixth point is a create a map step, and this is activity. And seventh point also activity, choose existing XML profile, and eighth point is activity, manual create a flat file profile. So we will see these points, and as I told in previous video, Boomi support 5 type profile like XML, JSON and database EDI. So we will see in today's video XML profile and flat file profile. So let's get started. Here we can see profile describe the layout or format of the document. So profile is a structure of the document, we can see, and it is a component we can choose, we can use as a component, like we can use more than one time in the process. So this is considered as a component. In profile there is a lot of fields like delimiter, column, position, data type, minimum and maximum length. So we will set these points in profile. Here we can see a profile is not a step but is saved to component library. As I told, profile count as a component that we can use more than one time in the process. Also we can use profile in these steps like decision step, map step and message step. Let's check second point, way to create a profile. So how we can create a profile? Here we can see manual, import profile or schema, through import file or through import schema. And third point is import a connection operation. Through connector we can import the profile also. So we will see in upcoming video. Third point, possible reason to manual build and import profile. Here is a scenario how we need to choose a manual and how we need to choose a import. So first point, use when you have to import a profile. So in that case you need to choose import option, and second option, require each field and layout to be defined. So in that case we need to choose a manual option. Third point, use when importing is not allowed by connector. So there is a few connector that is not allowed to import a profile. So in that case we need to choose a manual option, right? Let's see fourth activity. This is activity, create an XML profile. So let's go into platform, training account. So this is our activity that we created on previous video, converting account information to XML. Now we need to create an XML profile. So for that we have to choose create new option, and then you have to select a profile type. Let's see here, profile, right? Flat file profile, but we need to choose XML profile, right? The name of the profile is account.xml, account XML, right? And then we need to import. I'm having XML file in my computer system, so I'm importing that file for creating XML profile. So click here, import a profile, and we need to choose XML type, right? This is a schema, but I'm having XML file, so I choose XML file and then choose a file option, and then I'm going to my desktop, and here is a file, account. File name is account.xml. You can see here account.xml, and then next, and then finish. Now you can see the XML profile we are importing from my computer system. So this is a element, this is a field like a account, company ID, company name, website, state. This is a fields of XML format profile. Now jump into next option, fifth point, defining map step. Map step transform the data from one format to another format. So you can see here, this is a XML profile, XML account, and this is a CSV profile, account CSV. So through map step we can transform profile from XML to CSV. We will see in today's video setting up profile in map step. There are two ways to set a profile in map step. As I told you, you can import from an existing profile or set up manually, right? For importing, use this method. You to import profile already exist. We can import profile from another process also, and for that we need to follow these steps: profile type, and then choose first component option, and then we can select the profile that we have already used in another process. So we can import that profile also, right? And manually, as I told, we can manually choose the profile, and then you have to choose a plus icon, and manually you have to create all fields like account, company name, address, and all. So let's see the activity 6. Activity, create a map. So let's save it. Save. So now here we can see the profile name, account XML profile. Save and close. You can see here. And now we have to create a map. So let's jump into Component Explorer, choose map step, and then you can see here about map step. Use map step to transform data from one format to another format, right? So let's configure it. Configure, plus icon, choose plus icon, and then write map name. So map name is account XML to CSV. So here we transform the data from XML to CSV, right? Let's see the next step. Choose existing XML profile. Let's see, check choose option and XML profile. We need to select XML, and then existing profile. You have to click here, and we have just created account.xml profile, right? So we can import that profile also. We can choose. So let's select account XML and OK. So now you can see account XML, and that is a field name, account, company name, company ID, website, city, state, portal code. And in maps we already created a profile on source point. From source to destination we have to change XML to CSV, right? Check next point, activity, manually create a flat file profile. So here we need to create manually flat file profile. So choose here and choose flat file, and here we have to create manually. So here we rotate the name of profile like account CSV profile. There is no any field, so we need to create manually. So for that we have to choose options and then check use column header. You can read here, if this option is selected, the first row of the document is assumed to contain column labels and is ignored. File type delimited, file delimited में comma delimited. Let's jump data elements option. So now we need to create a element. So let's add multiple elements. Element count is 8 and OK. So here you can write a field name one by one. So first field name is account ID. Second field name is account name. Third field name is address 1. Fourth field is address 2. Next one is a city. Next one is state. Next one is zip. And last one is a status. So here we created a manually profile and save it. This is a flat file profile. Save and close. OK. And then you can see here in profile. This is a map step. Within the map step there is a 2 profiles, XML profiles and CSV profiles. And that's all for today's video. We will see other points in upcoming video. So till then, thank you.